Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by the brand called Mituyo. And pretty much what this is a selfie stick tripod. So I can use this as a selfie stick and a tripod. So that's pretty cool. But first things first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So when we take it out, this is basically what it looks like. And basically this is all that's included in the package itself. If you guys can see, it's super small and compact. You can see that there's the brand logo right there and then the Bluetooth button right here to use as a remote. For this product itself, they have 3 different colors. They have a black color, they have a white color, and they also have a red color. So you guys do have a lot of different options on here. And honestly, I think it's super cool how it's so small and compact so you can actually bring this anywhere and it won't be all up in your space or whatever. And if you guys are wondering like where's the instruction to teach you guys how to use it, it actually shows you guys the instruction right here on the package itself. So it tells you like first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and fifth step. But I'm not going to read that to you guys because I'm going to explain how to use it. So basically all you guys have to do is just open this part right here, just like that. And you guys can turn this left or right or however you guys want to. And then you just stretch this to open your phone like this. And then you guys can open this part like a tripod like that, which is pretty cool, right? And you just close it back up when you guys are done. And then you guys open this bottom part here like a tripod. So that's pretty cool as well. And then when you guys are done, just close it back up like this. And then you guys can use this part as a remote, so you can actually take it out like that and just use it as a remote like that. And then for this part, you guys may be wondering like how do you guys recharge it? So if you guys take a look at the bottom part right here, it actually has a little micro USB slot to plug it in to charge it. And then there's a little indicator light right here to show you guys when it's charging and everything else. So the way how you guys pair this and whatever is by holding this button right here for around like 3 seconds. And then it goes on to a Bluetooth pairing mode. So once you guys finish pairing it, it should pop up that little light like this. And then you can start using it to take pictures and whatever. So let's say like if I want to use this to take a picture of me right now, I just click on the button like this and take a picture. And then if you guys want to put it on the actual tripod itself, you guys can do that as well. So you can see I have it all set up. So basically all you guys have to do is just click the button and start taking a bunch of pictures, if you guys can see. So really easy to use and everything. If you guys want to do video or photo, you guys have to do it manually. So like click on the video first and then you guys can start recording stuff like this. Just click the button and start recording, you guys can see. I actually like this a lot because you guys can use it as both like a selfie stick like this, or you guys can use it as a tripod. So you guys can actually use this much easier, especially when you guys are traveling by yourself, to set it all up to kind of do like a little selfie or maybe record yourself for like a video or vlog or something. And then for the button itself, you guys can actually put it back right here and just use that little button like clicking like that if you guys want to as well. And then when you guys are done using it, you guys can press it down for like roughly 5 seconds for it to actually turn off just like this. And it turns off if you guys can see. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest with you guys, I have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys need one of these. Especially if you guys are like a solo traveler and you guys want to have like a tripod and also a selfie stick to use when you guys are traveling, so you guys don't have to rely on someone else to take it, because you know sometimes even when you guys have someone do it for you guys, the photo won't turn out as good as you guys want it to be. So it's definitely always good to have one of these tripods with you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.